Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 62 Pineridge Drive here in Westfield, Massachusetts.
If you're in the market for a well-cared-for, spacious 3-bedroom executive ranch with custom features located in the Ridgecrest, Munger Hill area of Westfield, then you've got to come take a look at this one.
Find everything you're looking for in this updated property, including a family room with cathedral ceilings, stunning brick fireplace, as well as an amazing 3-season porch with 180-degree glass views.
Main level living at its best, featuring formal living and dining areas, as well as 3 bedrooms including a master with ensuite and walk-in closet.
This home has so much to offer its new buyers, such as central air, central vac, gorgeous wood floors, and first floor laundry.
Outside you'll find all the perks you're looking for, including 2-car garage, a wood deck, patio, plenty of privacy, and it all sits on over a half-an-acre lot.
We hope you have enjoyed your personal tour of 62 Pineridge Drive here in Westfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Wine Garden team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
That was impressive.
Yeah.
That was impressive. Ooh.
Oh, criminy sakes. As well as an amazing
Phone.
I got the snow
Oh, that's right. Best. Hold on.
cut, print, boom.
You are watching a master